We got shops, rock shops, fossils and minerals, print. Look at that, home cooked meals, open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Look at it closer. 97. Here we go, guys. Hey, America. Hello, welcome back to another episode of well, my travels basically. Anyways, we are currently, I don't know if you can tell, background over here, Nevada. We are en route to Vegas. We came from LA, and yeah, we are going to visit that place right there. I'll show you guys right there. I don't know if you can tell. Calico. It's a Calico ghost town essentially, and there's lots of awesome, amazing stuff there. Anyways, let me introduce you guys to someone that you guys probably know. Yo, what's up? You guys remember this guy? Oh my goodness! Whoa! Dang! You know, the cars here in the U.S., we don't really slow down for anything or anyone. It's crazy. But anyways, let's go. Very interesting. Let's park over here. Alright, well, as you guys have seen, we are currently at, I don't know if you can see it over there. It's kind of small. It's gonna look at the 360, but we are currently in the Calico ghost town. Okay, let's lock the car. This is our car, by the way, right here. Alright, let's go. I think this was a preserved gold rush era mining town. There you go, guys, I'll show it to you. There you go. This is the entrance. This is the parking right there. This is where we park right there. And as you can see, there's like hills. Oh, there's my boy right there. You guys have probably seen him in the previous vlogs. The OG. Alright, there you go. We are actually very sleep deprived right now. We only have 1 hour and 2 or 3 hours of sleep since yesterday, because of the flight and everything. But here you go. We got shops, rock shops, fossils and minerals, print, all that good stuff. These are the attractions. We have the cemetery, we have the railroad museum. Wow, that's a lot. And I think they there's a visitor center. But let's just explore the town. They did say it was that it was a preserved, right? So I think we can just, you know, walk around. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this thing. Barrel? I guess this is how they store their liquids back then. It's interesting. Quite big. What this is? Walking sticks, wood magnet. Oh, this is like it's like a gift shop. In Google it said that they're closing at what time was it? 5, and it is currently 4:49. So as you can see, the place is basically deserted. But man, I do like the place that it feels like it's just for us, you know. Me and my boy over here. Look at that, home cooked meals, open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's their time, by the way. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That is their time. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk around, look back, and then you know, check everything out. Ooh, what is this? What manner of machine is this? Right there, guys. 1888 Aaron steam fire engine. It's a horse-pulled steam engine.
So horse-pulled.
Damn, that's huge. Here, I'll make you guys look at it closer. You guys got a good look. Yeah, it's quite big, isn't it? We got a town hall over here. I thought that was the merchandise, but that's the merchandise right there. See, Lane's general merchandise, and then we got the town hall over here, and then the rest of the city or the town over here. Okay, let's check out the town hall. I wonder if there's anyone there. Oh, look at this. The ghost town population 1881 40, and in 6 years 1200, but then 3 years later 800, and 1951 10. Wow, that is dang. Calico lives again. Knott's Berry Farm, Buena Park, Halif building shall be rebuilt on the original sites. Walter Knott dedicating Calico Ghost Town memory of the heroic silver mine. Oh, silver. Never mind, guys. I thought it was a gold. Apparently it was silver. My bad. What's in here? Oh, pictures. Oh boy. All of them have the word RIP. RIP. There you go. Zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. They look happy, don't they? 1984. Wow, it's not that long ago. 1982. 1982. How do people like survive the heat wave when they wear like dresses? I don't know how that works. Like, look at that. 97. 1997. Dang. Ain't no way. 2010? Huh. So are these like visitors, I guess? Not actual people, because there's like 2010 over there. Yeah. Let's check out other buildings. Okay, wow. It is very, very quiet. Lane's general merchandise. Candy, clothing, supplies, and a smile. Oh, and a smile. Hey, how's the heat? How are you handling the heat, bro?
It's okay.
It's okay. Wow. Oh, they have like old typewriter. And the singer. These are old clocks. I actually like these kinds of timepiece. Those are like what they wear. It's like underwear back then, right? Oh, adult youth. Oh, yo, I wonder how much these things are. What is this? Diamondback rattlesnake. That is very realistic depiction of it. Maybe it was a real snake, and then they just stuffed it. I think it only goes until around that bend over there, and then we can just go back. What is that? Oh.
Wow,
hey.
that was really bad. Yeah,
bro, this is like a beer game.
Did it.
Every time you miss, you take a shot, and then after 5 minutes you're already drunk. If you're interested in photos, there, ask for the works. Oh, maybe that's the one in the town hall. This right here. I wanted like a
Cowboy?
Not cowboy, like full shotgun over here. I got like six guns. I got like a huge crossbow at the back. Here we go, guys. Hey, America. And who's this guy? Walter Knott family, from the citizens of Bernardino County who pledged to continue the Knott's work. Is this the original? It is the wagon, isn't it? These are the cars back then. If you had the car, hey, means you're rich. Wow, look at this spot, guys. Whoa, yo, dang. As usual, action cam doesn't do it justice. I really need like a bigger camera, but oh boy, look at the mountains. I guess you can call this mountain. It's not really a hill. Everyone's going back. We're the only ones going up. That's okay. Souvenir penny. Oh, this is where you put like your real money and they can give you one of those. Cactus Gates, Sixto Smith, Legion Sang, huh? Are those like actual real people that paid to get their name put in there? Old miner, look at that. Fossils and miners, what is that? R&D, what's R&D mean? I don't know what that means. Oh, sheriff's office, hey, let's see who's locked up.
It's locked.
RX, oh I know what RX means. Actually I don't know what it means. I just know it's like medicine. Yep, there you go guys. Snake oil. Hey, acid murant.
Leave all of you in the jail.
Bitters. I guess they used to call them bitters because they are bitter. And it's like the medicine. Bro, even the plant is... there's no leaves. Dead, bro. Fossils and minerals. Okay. We are open. Okay. So, yeah, we'll just skip that for now because we want to see more of the stuff up there. Man, look at the town. Main street is all the way over here. Unfortunately, the GoPro shut down because it was too hot. I didn't even realize when I touched. Yeah, when we touched it, it was like, oh my goodness, it was like it was poured in boiling oil or something. So yeah, that's crazy. Anyways, we're just gonna vlog it with a Pixel. Yeah, these are just houses. Now, I just wanted to see how most of these look like over here. I guess this is where you eat. You know, if you come in here. Dollhouse. What? Oh, interesting. Dollhouse. Employees only. Damn. Can get in there, huh? Okay, so it actually goes. It only goes like there towards that house, and then we got like an overlook over there, and then that's pretty much it. And then the train there, right there, you can book that train, and then it basically goes around like the back there. There's like a rail track that loops around and then just goes back there. So the heat in Nevada just hits different. It's like kind of like in the Philippines. It would actually boil, you know, your device. It would heat up the metal parts. So it's crazy. Little saloon. Ooh, look at that. Beer and wine. Oh, okay. So this is where you order. Yeah, you order your food here, right? And then you go eat there. And obviously they're closed now, so you know.
Give me that wine.
GG, well played. Where's my damn wine?
Come on, mate.
Ooh, I wanna post like this guy. Look at this guy. Little salon. Sue, the famous gunslinger of the West, huh? But, ooh, what are these tools? Farming tools, I'm guessing. Maybe. Are they farming tools? Section of a hand made windmill. I don't know what that means. Oh wait, there's actually a tree with leaves on it. Huh. I guess they do water the plants here, huh? Oh my goodness, look, the bark is so thick. It's like this thick. Like this.
Damn, it's thick like me.
Main stage. I guess they have like if we were here earlier, maybe they had like a, you know, some presentation over here or something.
Yo, I got you.
There we go. Alright. Which do a TikTok dance, bro. Oh yeah, see, there's a part of the rail track right there, and it goes all the way back there. I think it goes around the areas there, going up and down. So would have been nice to experience it, but hey, that's what we get for being late. Not that it's our fault, it's just this place is just very far guys. So and we don't have a lot of time. It's kind of like the Bali trip where everything we did is basically an introduction to everything. It's like, oh, we have to go to this place, and then we go to the next one, and then the next one. It is what it is, the life of a traveler with no time. And that's the far haul. This is where we were earlier. Okay, well, I think we will end the first part. What do you think? Should we end the first part of the trip? This is actually our first day. We are very tired and we just want to go home and
Honestly.
same. My eyes are you know what, when you haven't had sleep and then when you close your eyes a little bit and you're just like, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Peace.